roadshow of all the yung lineup ng move ng company ng Legal. So one of the movies na naka-line up doon is itong movie na to. And when they saw it, they applauded. Wow, sabi ko, ang galing ha, pati mga cinema bookers from SM, ang kasama kasi doon, most of them are managers of the whole SM cinemas. Mga iba't ibang branches all over, nationwide. So this was exclusively done for them. And we showed this. And they were very excited. Ang daming mga questions about it. Kailan ba yan mag-start? Kailan ba yan matatapos? Kasi also the cinemas now, they find it very low in supply ng Tagalog movies actually. That's why they always been asking us kung kailan ba ang labas ng mga pelikula because they want to get back into the rhythm of, showing Filipino movies again na sunod-sunod, just like before pandemic. That's why we're here. Trying our best to really deliver quality movies.
Oh, ang bongga, no, Rochelle? Kasi parang balik yung sinasabi nila, sana sumigla yung local movie industry. And eto nga, isa ka sa nakikiisa. Oo, dahil ang daming movies ng
yeah. Isa ako sa mga nanonood ng Dirty Women actually. So, kasi napapanood ko si Francia. Because of their age, na bagayan, I asked, of course, my director, si Crisanto, if he's agreeable, if he could get Francel. Kasi tamang-tama naman for the characters for this movie. And happily, more naman sa Kasi they're not just, it's not just the age that I wanted to capture, also their talent. Kasi I've been watching yung Dirty Women.
Thank you, Miss Lucette.